never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're with my boy Austin, and we are going to be doing some fun exhaust stuff with the CLS. Stay tuned. We're throwing that Xpipe in. Let's get it. Shoo!
I do love the color on this car.
We're getting the AMG racked up. So the goal is we're gonna put this in right here where this messed upness is all at. So we're probably gonna cut it from here and then try to connect it here and get rid of this crossbar because it's what keeps hitting and rubbing on. So it should make it sound better and then should run a little better too, since that keeps hitting as I'm driving and the motor flexes. It just hits pretty hard. Yeah. Interesting. But yeah, so that Xpipe's gonna be massive on here, but should give it a cool sound. Now that we're up in there, you can really see a lot of stuff too. I didn't put the covers back on right here. You can kind of see up in here. It looks like I have an oil leak or of some sort. But yeah, overall pretty dope. Got the brand new tires all the way around. Sometimes, let's see, all my bushings, everything looks good. Right now, my buddy had to go to the store to get saw blades. So, yep, that's it. This guy. Nice. Holy shit, Bubba. Looks like the Xpipe is gonna fit perfectly.
Perfect.
It was a perfect cut. So
Perfect cut for a perfect man.
oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you.
Old chonkless ass boy.
There you go, rocking the chonklas with the welder.
Same.
Getting those tack. Oh yeah, I guess so.
Crocked up.
Yeah, he's cocked up, huh?
Cocked up.
Got a black cock.
And they're not even in slow mode. You see how we do it?
You got two black cocks. There it is. Going in, going in. We going in. He kept telling me over and over and over, Xpipe.
Xpipe, man. I'm telling you, Xpipe.
And I was like, it ain't gonna do anything. I was wrong. I was wrong. Wow. That sounds fire. Xpipe for the win.
Oh, yeah.
Go! Fire!
I'll do the same thing like last time.
mean, you would have been fine. Ended up pulling up to this night car meet with my dad. His car came out looking fire, the M550. Oof. And dude, the exhaust, game changer. Game changer. Sounds amazing. Driving it up and down the road. Super, super happy with the overall. But yeah. This thing is beautiful. Yo, we're back at the house and I am just so impressed with the exhaust and the way it sounds. It's crazy, and the wheels, and I'm just like, it's insane. I'm super happy this car is coming together and you guys are watching it happen. So anyways, I'm home, it's late, and the video right here. I appreciate everybody that's been following along, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. You.